Hello again, everyone. This is Joe Henches with Beyond the Chart, and this is an educational video. We're going to take a look at Facebook and kind of walk through an analysis of Facebook here. Today is July 23rd, 2014, so the data that we have here is through end of day yesterday, the 22nd. It's going to be interesting after the market closes today. Facebook will be out with its earnings. Now, what I think is going on with Facebook is I think it's had 5 waves up. This is this entire trading since it started trading back in 2012. So from this very, very low here in September 2012, we've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves up. Many of us thought that this was a top right here in January or actually late December 2013. And we thought this was the end of the 5th wave, very short 5th wave, and actually it ended up developing longer and pushing up into here. So I really do believe this is 5 waves, which would mean this is impulse wave 1. Okay, so when you look at impulse wave 1, let's see how far it's corrected already. Let's look at a retracement of this. It's getting hard to get it up there. It's going to be close. That's close enough. It really hasn't even retraced 38% of the move. Okay, so it's still a very shallow correction. This is not normal for a wave 2, a primary wave 2. This was a primary wave 1. So really right now I am expecting, this is why I'm expecting that this will be that we've got a wave 1 coming down, and then we got wave 2, and I think we're going to have a wave 3 that'll pull back a little bit deeper. That's what I'm looking for. Now let me blow this up real quick. I think coming down out of here, we had a wave 1, a little wave 2 pullback. I think this is wave 3, and then this developed into a triangular sideways wave 4. Usually triangles are in the 4th wave, and then we had this 5th wave down. If that's the play, that means we had 5 waves for A. Whenever you have 5 waves down for A, the first wave down in correction, that means it's a zigzag, and therefore this should not go back up to the top of here. So I could be a little wrong on this. It's not totally clear, but this looks kind of shallow to me. And so I'm thinking, that's why I've got a question mark by B. I'm thinking this is B, and that we're going to turn around and come back down through. So we'll be looking to see, does it break this little shallow trend line? And then does it break this trend line? And then down here is the 233-day moving average. So all the moving averages are aligned positively right now. You got the 55, which is this dark line here. The 55 is above the 233. The 21 is above the 55. Those are all simple moving averages. And then I've got my 10 exponential above the 21. So they're all aligned right now. The 10 is kind of a trigger line. And so we'll have to see. It hasn't broken down yet. We'll see if it continues to push higher or whether it turns and breaks down and then does one more leg to the downside. All right, that's my best assessment of Facebook at the moment. Thanks for stopping by. If you felt the video was helpful, useful, please share it on social media. Hit one of the social media buttons and subscribe to Beyond the Charts so you can get email updates and access to the Trade Ideas webpage and other things.